Teamworking and collaboration is a 21st century skill. So welcome to the series by the Enterprise India Fellowship called Learning Leadership Through Games. In this game, we are going to be given a group challenge. Okay, so very often in teams we have a common goal, a common challenge, and initially when the challenge is given to us, there's a huge amount of excitement, and we rush to start working on it. Now, very rarely do we hit upon success in the first shot. That's where we make a crucial mistake. We rush in once again to make the second attempt without having given enough time to learn from our first attempt about what went well and what could be improved. Taking proper time to debrief together with your team can make the crucial difference between success and failure. So play this game with your team and use it to practice conversations and debriefing between each other to learn from the successes and failures of your first attempt of any group goal or challenge. Have fun.
Hi, my name is Yukti and today we have another exciting game for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to form a circle. Come on guys, form a circle here. A close circle, okay? So now, okay, a little, just take like half a step back. Yeah, okay. So now, just imagine yourself as Spider-Man. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to give you all this yarn and you have to loop it through all your 5 fingers, only from one hand, and you have to keep passing it to create a spider web. Okay? Hold this, and you can start. And this is the Avengers pod, which has to be launched.
Got it.
In the space. So you all have to make it bounce thrice on that spider web. Okay, you all have 3 minutes. Okay, get started. Okay, so guys, tell me what happened. Everyone tell me one element that you all felt like the first time didn't work out, why it didn't work out. Everyone tell me one element. According to you, okay, if this would have happened, it might have happened earlier, it might have worked the first time.
I think strategizing and listening to all others also.
Okay.
So I think initially when we took the ball, we just started throwing, like moving our hands up, so no one was coordinating. Then like we decided to throw the ball where it was more netty in a way, messed up, like not open. So then we threw it over there and then we coordinated, gave counts, and then we so.
Some parts of the net was still very loose, so we had to sort of tie up those loose ends.
Everyone knew what they had to do, but only coordination was not there.
So I think the first time it's always like trial and error. So after we do that and then we get little experience. We can observe what we can do better. So that's how it happened. Second time we were able to do it better.
So how did you all find a middle ground, or how did you all struggle to find a middle ground initially to make it work?
So in the first one, everyone was just passing the ball randomly, and then like we got to know what we have to do better for the second time. So then Shiv took charge, and then like he was guiding everyone with the ball, and so we ended up making a better web because only one person was directing, so it was easier for us because in the first one everyone was saying something else, pass it to me, so it was really confusing.
Yeah, so that's what when we are in a team and we're doing something, so it takes time to figure out who is able to do it better. But I think if that person then is able to voice his opinion and then coordinate with the team, so that works out.
So okay, in teamwork obviously when you're working together it's always better. But do you think that sometimes if one thing goes wrong it can affect the whole thing, or if one thing goes right, like that importance of one thing, do you think that one thread, one knot, one passing of yarn would have made a difference?
Yes, in the end, the transfer thread था, that one thread बीच में because of that we could hold on नहीं तो बीच में भी एक
It's kind of like glue. You need to have that one element there, that one piece of thing that's sort of holding everything together.
I mean, ideally, one thread cannot hold the ball and make it bounce, right? But since everything was working out well together, that's what made it bounce.
Yeah.
And that even that one thread filled up an empty space, like completely hollow space. I think that's what happens in an organization. Like we think that we don't play a huge role, but it's those small things that build up to the whole spider web.
끝없이 어디로 가